So I've gotten the new throttle body, this piece right here. I got it shipped to me maybe a week or two ago, and but I've been out of pocket, unable to work on this, both due to weather and also death in the family and other things. So we're going to replace that today and see if that doesn't fix our high short-term fuel trims. So I'm going to remove this box. I've already unplugged the MAF sensor, so I'm going to remove the top of the box here and all the way to here and disconnect this hose to get access to it. Okay, so I've got the top of the air box off. I got the boot that goes across and the hose that connects to the top of the valve cover. So I need to unplug this connector here, and also I need to remove this hose from the assembly. There's going to be a little clippy thing there, so I need to separate that. And let's see, I don't need to touch, well, actually I don't need to touch that. I can leave that because this assembly is going to come off. So yeah, just unplug this, and then there's going to be four let's see, four Allen head type bolts here, 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 there, and one underneath here. So let me get that removed. So I got it off, and looks a little grungy in there, so I'm going to do some cleaning before I put the new one on. The old seal looks like it's made out of metal and it's still in good shape, so I'm just going to reuse it. These cost about $5 online, and with free shipping in some cases if you need to replace it, but I'm just going to reuse the old one. So let me clean the insides out a little bit and get some of that grunge out, and then I'll be putting it back together. Alright, so I just used some Super Tech Walmart brand carburetor cleaner and cleaned it out, and it looks a lot better now. I still want to clean this off a little bit. I'll use the same cleaner on it. Okay, so when installing the new one, get your gasket that goes in between the throttle body and the plenum in place for the top two bolts, and put your top two bolts through the gasket and line it up with the plenum, and snug these first two up first. And now I've got it in there with two bolts. Other two have been cleaned. Let me grab them. You can put some Loctite on if you want. I'm not going to. Doesn't look like it needs it. So now I'm going to install the bottom two screws, bolts, whatever. And now I'm going to snug it up. I'm sure there's a torque value. I'm just going to snug them. I'm not going to worry about exact torque values on these because I'm too lazy to look it up. You know, don't be lazy like me, look it up. But I think maybe 5 to 10 foot-pounds max on these. Maybe just 5 foot-pounds. Yeah, I'm going to go 5 foot-pounds. Seems like the right value for these. But look it up. Don't take my word for it. No idea what it is. Haven't looked it up. Anyway, so there we go. And after I get these snugged up, I will install the connection there, the wiring, and I'll put the tube, the boot back in, and the hose and all that jazz, and that should be it. I will be doing some tests to see if that helps the short-term fuel trims. I forgot to mention is these screws, bolts are 5mm hex. Okay, so 5mm Allen wrench type things. FYI. Well, crap, I've got a problem. I didn't notice this, but look how much slack is in that. This is not the same size inlet as the other one. Son of a bitch, that's a lot smaller. What's up with that? Huh. This is a lot larger. Well, I guess it's coming off then. I can't use it. Crap. All right, well, that's it.